Hello watcher and subscriber. In the today's class we will see the use of continuous statement. So continuous statement means it's keep the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next iteration. So iteration is also known as the repetition, or you can say the looping process. So it simply keep the current iteration of the loop. So here we will take one example. In this example there is a use of continuous statement. Here there is a condition. If it is true, it will run the body of while loop, and then we have the condition. If it is true, it will run the continue. So what will happen after the execution of continue? Just see this arrow direction. Once this condition is true, it will run the continue, and then it will again check condition. Okay, in place of executing next statement, it will check condition. So it will simply skip the current iteration, and then if it is true, it will run this. If it is true, again it will run condition and control will again go to here. So like that it will work. And the continue statement can be used in the other looping statement. The working process will be same. If again condition is true, then here the control will go to here condition, because in do while condition is present at downside. Same way you can use in the for loop also. So in the for loop, what happen here? If the condition is true, it will run the continuous statement. But in the for loop we have confusion, because we have three expression. In between we have condition. So here what will happen? Once the continue is executed in for loop, it will go on the incrementation, and then it will check condition. This point is very important, friend. It will first check the incrementation counter, and then it will check the condition. If it is true, then control will come back within the loop, and then we will discuss about the program, and then here we will see the output also. So here you see the output of the program will be like that, and here the output should show the value from 0 to 9, but here 4 value is missing because that particular iteration is missed because of continue. So how it will work? I less than 10, I value is 0, this condition is false, so here the output will be 0. So in this way it will print 1 2 3. Once the value is 4, here this condition will true, and here that is I plus plus. So here next value will be 5 and continue. So continue means what happen here? The control will go to here. Okay, and here 5 not equals to 4, that is false, so it will print the 5. So it means that it keep that previous iteration, that is when the value of I is 4. So in this way the next value 6, that is not equal to 4, so it will show the 6 7 8 9 like that. So in this way you can use the continue statement. If you want to skip particular iteration like that, here we want to skip particular I value, so in that case you can use the continue. Suppose you want to skip 5th iteration, then you have to use I double equals to 4, sorry, I double equals to 5. If you want to skip 6th iteration, you have to write 6 here. So in this way whatever the iteration you want to remove or skip, so according to that you have to use continue statement in the program. One more program here. Here in this program we use the for loop, because you may get confusion in the for loop. Here there is a if statement, and then we have the continue. So output will be like that. So here we skip more than one iteration. So coming outputs are 1 to 4. I is 1, here the 1 greater than 4 condition is false, so it will skip this, and then it will show 1. So same way, same procedure for 2 3 4, but once the value is 5 greater than 4 less than 9, condition is true, continue. Continue means what? Control will go to here. So next value is 5 greater than, here the 5 greater than 4, that is true, and here it is less than 9, again it is true. So true means it will go to continue here, and then here next value is true. So here again the condition is true, so one by one again continue will be executed. So here once the value is 9, so 9 is greater than 4, true. but here it is false, 9 less than 9. So here it will come and show the value 9, and same way it will show the value 10. So in short, whenever this condition is true, it will skip that iteration. So that's the reason we are not getting the value here 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So in this way continue will work. Now we will go on the Eclipse, and there we will see the execution of program. So here I am in Eclipse, friend, and I have already written the code because I already explained in the presentation. So once this condition is true, then the continue statement will be used to skip the iteration. Let's check output here, and you are already aware about the output of the program. So here we are checking output. First upside onwards 1, 2, then 3, downside you observe 4, after 4 there is a 9, and then 10. Suppose in case here I am writing I value is greater than 8, then what will happen? Then more number of values will be coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Near about all values are coming, because here no one condition is satisfying true. If suppose I am writing 2, then it will skip many iterations. So here I is greater than 2, means if the value is greater than 2 and less than 9, so in that case it will skip most of the iterations. 1 and 2 is coming, but 3 to 8 onwards it is not coming, because it is greater than 2 and less than 8. So 3 to 8 iteration are skip here. So in this way, whatever the iteration you want to skip, you have to specify condition and put the continue. So here we are skipping some iterations. Okay, so according to condition your iteration will be skipped. So whenever you want to skip some iteration, in place of closing the loop or coming out from the loop, that case you have to use continue statement. So here I suggest you, friend, you practice again and again using the continue statement. It will help you to clear out your concept. Thanks for watching.